Hi there, this video is called Next Week's Ice Block Weather Forecast UK 2020. If you like the video, isn't it? Yep, please give me a thumbs up. So, we're talking about the local weather data here, guys. For the county shows, my local weather data I record. Blue colour is rainfall. I record the rainfall. I record the morning temperature, that's the red colour. You can see what's been going on this year. Look at November this year. You can see there, guys. You can see the rainfall. It was quite a dry November. It was actually quite a warm. It was one of the warmest Novembers for quite some years, actually. Funny enough, anyway, it is quite bizarre. I think it was drier, it'd be colder, but it wasn't. But there's last year's November, 2019. You can see here, guys, it was a lot wetter, but it was actually colder morning temperature-wise. Interesting, isn't it? Fascinating. This is the rainfall for the last 20 years across the county, sorry, locally in Woking Town. Looking at it today. And you can see the rainfall there. Compared to last year's, it was actually wet. It's been wet the last 2 November, the last 2 years, since 2019, 2018, looking quite one of the driest Novembers this year we've had since 2017, which actually was the year before the 2018 beast when it is. So maybe with a cold late winter, maybe, who knows? We'll see what happens this winter, 2020 into 2021. Okay, this is the upper global sea temperature, the place since today, guys. This is off the west coast of South America, upper global sea temperature, the north upper global sea temperature in the North Pacific, the upper global sea temperature in the North Atlantic, off the west coast of Africa, upper global sea temperature, the northwest upper global sea temperature. So see what's going on. Fascinating. It's getting colder in the North Pacific, upper global sea temperature. It's getting colder in the North Atlantic, upper global sea temperature. It's getting colder on the west coast of Africa, upper global sea temperature. It's getting colder in the Gulf of Mexico. There won't be any more hurricanes across the Atlantic now. Hurricane season is over now officially. It was one of the worst ones ever recorded in historical history. I did predict it earlier this year in January 2020. It would be one of the worst historical history of hurricanes across the Atlantic. And you can see here it's about a very central based strong La Nina. So yeah, a very cold winter is unlikely, but it's possible. Who knows? Across the north and western parts of Europe. This is the GFS weather forecast we're looking at here, guys, from the 11th of December. It's talking about winds coming from the south west here, in the southwesterly up to the 18th of December. Okay, we're going for the 2nd of December. He's talking about the winds coming from the northwest there, and the northwesterly, and then it goes to a southeasterly this Saturday, and then it goes to a well, you name it, southeasterly this weekend, and then to northwesterly. We get to next week on the 6th of December, well, Sunday the 7th of December. Quite cold. There might be sort of snow at times. It's looking pretty wintry across the south. There'll be snow and sleet and rain across the whole of the UK. It'll be very mixed. And then the southwesterly kicks up by the time we get to the 9th of December. And there is northern blockage to the northeast and over Greenland. So this is a very good test out for cold weather, guys. And winter potential is possible across the whole of the UK. And you can see there's trying to build that northern blocking up here. And it's just like cold, man. It's ice block cold weather. This is the upper air temperature for Woking Town locally we're looking at today. And the red line is the 30-year average line. The white line's where the temperature's going. And it is going very cold for the next 3 to 4 days. It's staying below average until we get to the 14th of December, the white line is. And there's always some rainfall spikes. So this might be rain or snow across Woking Town locally we're looking at today. So yeah, don't be surprised. And there'll be some more rainfall sites in the future. It's like it's getting drier as going towards the middle part of December, and it's getting more warmer, it's getting more at average. So it's like the first half of December will be warm, the last half will be warm, the first half will be cold. This is the weather forecast for Brookwood. You can see what's going on today. So southwesterly winds, southerly winds. It'll be a rainy and horrible on Thursday, but with village-wise, and it's going to be horrible. Friday there'll be like this wintry potential. Saturday's been colder by day, high of 5 Celsius. It's going to be really cold this weekend. You can see what's going on. It's really like a proper winter's December, really right into the future. It's rainfall. It starts to warm up around about the 15th of December with southwesterly winds. It starts to get a bit milder. And this is the snowfall forecast. You can see what's going on. Look up to the date. See what's going on. You can see where the snow is across the UK and the dates. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. May the means and money outweigh this video. May the force be your always claim by spot the needs and money help the needs of you. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone. Look out for the snow.